So here's me minding my own business, sitting on the chair, and then out fell this little guy. He's a little itty bitty baby bird. He fell out of the nest, and so I'm gonna have to rescue it. So he fell out of the nest just behind, like above me, and I'm trying to see what kind of birds they are. So I don't know what else to do, so I just got a margarine container, and I'm gonna try and just get him in the nest. Like my pretend nest. Try and get him in there. Okay, so the nest was right above me where I was sitting, and there it is. Rescued just in time. Oh my goodness, that was close. Whoo! Yeah, little guy, that was a close one, and I gotcha. Yeah, we are gonna rescue you. It's really cute. It's got yellow on the tail. It's so cute. So should I have a vote on it? Should I keep it and try and feed it? Now I've got to dig in the garden and find worms. I'm going to have to go to a pet store and get mealworms. It's going to be a lot of work. There's more babies in the nest. It looks like there's 3 of them or 4 maybe. This one might have been 4 or 5. See, normally if they were ready to fall out of the nest, then they can, jump and sit on things and they can fly a little bit. But with cats around, as soon as they hit the ground, the cats get them. And there's quite a few cats here in this yard, in the farmyard. I think I found out what the parent is. It's a cedar waxwing, which is unusual. I didn't know they were, I didn't know nesting here, but I think it's the baby from this bird. We don't normally have cedar waxwings here. Yeah, it just flew into the nest. Yeah. Now another one jumped out. So the parents are trying to round them all up.